Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises a lot for those seeking efficiency and versatility in their kitchen, especially if space is at a premium. We're talking about the VEVOR 17-piece Granite non-stick detachable handle cookware set. This set aims to simplify your cooking and storage woes. Let's start by unpacking what exactly you get in this substantial 17-piece collection. It's designed to cover a wide range of cooking needs. You'll find a 7-inch saucepan, an 8-inch saucepan, an 8-inch frying pan, a larger 10-inch frying pan, and a 10-inch saute pan. For those who enjoy grilling indoors or want to achieve those perfect sear marks, there's also an 11-inch square grill pan. Beyond the main vessels, the set includes two essential removable handles, which are key to its space-saving design. You also get a practical assortment of lids, two silicone lids, one for the 8-inch and one for the 10-inch pots, and two fridge storage lids, again one for the 8-inch and one for the 10-inch pieces. Finally, to protect your investment and your cabinets, it comes with pan protectors. There are three larger ones, 14 by 14 inches, and two smaller ones, 10 by 10 inches. This comprehensive package suggests it's meant to be an all-in-one solution for many kitchen tasks. The standout feature here, and the one that immediately grabs attention, is the detachable handle system. VEVOR claims this saves up to 70% of storage space, a bold statement, but one that holds significant appeal. The mechanism is designed to be straightforward. With just a press, you can remove and reattach the handles. This is a game-changer for smaller kitchens, apartments, or even for those who own an RV or a boat where every inch of storage counts. The ability to stack these pans and pots directly on top of each other without the handles protruding makes for incredibly neat and compact storage in cabinets or drawers. For anyone who has ever struggled to fit a full set of cookware into a limited space, this feature alone might make the VEVOR set a compelling option. Moving on to the materials and construction, VEVOR highlights a Maifan stone nonstick coating. This type of coating is often praised for its natural properties and its ability to allow for cooking with less oil, promoting a healthier approach to your meals. They state the interior can withstand temperatures up to 380 degrees Celsius, which is quite high and should be sufficient for most stovetop and oven cooking tasks. Importantly, the set is advertised as free from lead, cadmium, and PFOA, which are common concerns with non-stick cookware. The cookware is constructed from 2.5 mm thick aluminum. This thickness is generally good for even heat distribution, helping to prevent hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. Furthermore, the base is designed with a high magnetic conductive layer, making this set compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and importantly for many modern kitchens, induction. The tempered glass lids offer visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your culinary creations without lifting the lid and losing heat. The versatility of this cookware set extends beyond just the stovetop. The fact that it's oven-safe means you can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven, a convenience many home cooks appreciate. The description also mentions it can transition to the grill and the refrigerator, thanks to the removable handles and the inclusion of silicone lids. This multi-purpose aspect really emphasizes its adaptability. You can cook a meal, serve it directly from the pot at the table, store leftovers using the provided lids, and then reheat it later, all with the same piece of cookware. The elegant and modern black granite finish is also a nice touch, aiming to not only be functional but also aesthetically pleasing, enhancing the presentation of your dining experience. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of the VEVOR 17-piece Granite non-stick detachable handle cookware set. On the positive side, the detachable handle system is a clear winner for anyone concerned with storage space. It genuinely transforms how you can organize your kitchen. The Maifan stone non-stick coating, combined with PFOA-free materials, offers a healthier and easier cooking and cleaning experience. The all stovetop compatibility, including induction, broadens its appeal significantly. The inclusion of various lids, both silicone and storage, adds a practical layer of functionality that goes beyond just cooking. Its oven-safe nature and multi-purpose transitions from stovetop to oven, grill, and fridge make it a highly versatile set. The overall package of 17 pieces for the price point is also quite competitive, offering a lot of value. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. While the detachable handle is innovative, the longevity and durability of the locking mechanism over repeated use is something that time will tell. We haven't tested it for years on end, but it's a point to keep in mind. The Maifan stone coating, while generally good, can sometimes be less durable than some of the higher-end, more robust non-stick coatings on the market. It's crucial to follow the care instructions to maintain its non-stick properties. Also, while it's oven-safe, it's important to check the maximum temperature the handles can withstand if they are to remain attached during oven use. Though they are removable, sometimes users might opt to leave them on for convenience. Lastly, the 2.5 mm aluminum thickness is decent, but it's not the heaviest gauge on the market, so extreme high heat applications or very prolonged cooking might still present some challenges for very experienced chefs. In conclusion, the VEVOR 17-piece granite non-stick detachable handle cookware set is a thoughtfully designed collection that prioritizes space saving and versatility. If you're living in a smaller space, an RV, or simply want to declutter your kitchen cabinets, the detachable handle system is a game changer. The cookware itself appears to offer a good balance of non-stick performance, health-conscious materials, and broad stovetop compatibility. It's an appealing option for everyday cooking, offering a comprehensive solution for various culinary needs without demanding excessive storage. Link in the description.